Hey folks, Junior here with Junior's Reviews, and today I wasn't going to do a review on this item because the video is going to be short, but I couldn't pass it up because this stuff really helped me out. It really worked. I was kind of iffy about it at first because I didn't know if it was really going to work, but I used it and I can't say better things about it. So this is the Fix a Leak for leaks in your swimming pool, and it has the instructions back here and everything. So I basically have like a 10,000 gallon pool. It's not too big, but I was losing hundreds of gallons a week, and I figured I'd try this out to save some money, because we all know once they start doing pool repairs, especially if they have to empty out the whole pool and find the pipes or whatever it might be, or the little fine cracks that a pool gets after time, then that could cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars. So I bought this stuff and I poured it in. I'm going to show you exactly where you pour it in, or where it tells you to pour it in. And so you basically go where your filter goes and you just pour it right in there. Just save a little bit so you can see it, and then it gets sucked into the system, and then it does its magic. So what it does say on the instructions is to take out where your cartridge filter is by the pool pump. It does say to remove that, and it also says to either sweep the vacuum, sweep the floor and the walls every couple hours, or vacuum. They do that because they say the product is heavy and it starts settling, so you want to like move it around, which makes sense. So that's what I did. That's why the pool is now it's been at the same level now for about 3 or 4 days, something that hasn't happened in over a year. So my water bill is not going to be that high anymore, and now we're just waiting. I just got to put the chemicals in to clean it up and get it ready for the summer. But like I said, I definitely wanted to share this with everyone because this stuff really worked, and I recommend it. The Fix a Leak. I will leave a link for it at the bottom of the video, and just follow the simple instructions. Like I said, the two that I remember is exactly to remove the cartridge, the filter cartridge, run it without that, and also to vacuum and or sweep every couple hours to get it moving around. Thank you again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I definitely would appreciate that. And I'll be back again with another video. Thank you.